Okay, today we made some chili, and I'm doing the keto thing, so we came up with a keto-friendly chili recipe. So here it is. I'm not going to actually go through the process of cooking the chili because most of us already know how to make chili. You take the ground beef and you brown it while you're sauteing your other ingredients, and then later you add the rest with some water and let it simmer on the stove. So I don't want to be a cooking channel, so I'm not going to do that. I'll just show you what I put in it, and hopefully this will help out if you're looking for a keto chili recipe. That's what I found. You know, chili, everybody knows it's got a lot of onions and garlic and stuff, and I started looking around and I noticed shallots are a lot lower in carbs than onions, and these green onions are a lot lower in carbs than like a regular onion that you would normally use, and they have similar flavors. So you chop these up, and when I get the tomatoes in a tomato paste, I look for the ones that don't have any salt added because I like to avoid salt. So what we have is we did this recipe with 1¼ pounds of ground beef, and then we have the green onion. We did a ½ cup of that, a ¼ cup of the shallots, and I added a ¼ cup of this avocado oil I got from Costco. I think I got it, yeah, this is from Costco, real good deal. I added I usually try to get all the fat out of my ground beef before I use it, and then it becomes too dry then, so I replace that fat with this, and this is a healthier type of fat. So ¼ cup of this. We did a ¼ cup of chili powder, also from Costco. ¼ cup of cumin from Costco. We did 2 cans of diced tomato with no salt added. And this we had to get at Pick and Save because Costco didn't have these. They normally have this stuff, but on the day we went, they didn't have it. So we do 2 cans of this, and then we just fill the can with water and dump in 2 cans, and that helps us get the little tomatoes out of the can that don't want to come out. We did 1 can of organic tomato paste, again from Costco, and again, no salt added. We use stevia. I like my chili to be hot and sweet, so we use stevia. This has 2 total carbs in it, but they're sugar alcohols, so I don't know what the ramifications of that are, but I think it doesn't count as like a normal carb because it's a sugar alcohol. And we use 8 of these little packs. It's stevia and monk fruit, and we got a big box of this at Costco as well. We use 8 of these packs, and I used no salt. I used 2 teaspoons of no salt. Probably most folks would want to use regular salt. And I added 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, which I regret doing because it made it a little too spicy for my daughter. But I guess in the future I'll leave this out, and I'll just add some heat to my individual bowl when I eat it. So the way we did this, it worked out to be about 8½ cups of chili. And we did the math on all the carbs, and we Googled the carbs and the natural ingredients, you know, and like this will say 0 carbs, but that's because serving size is like a ¼ teaspoon or something. So, you know, I Googled like, you know, how much we used, and we came up with some numbers and added everything together, and we came up with 9.64 carbs per serving if a serving is 1 cup. And try to remember a lot of that is there's a decent amount of fiber in these carbs, so it's not a straight up 964. And then the stevia's got the sugar alcohols. So we put it all together. It turned out good. Everybody liked it, and even though it was keto, I don't think anybody seemed to notice. Everybody enjoyed it. So again, I'm not going to put the camera in front of the stove and go through the whole process, because like I said, it's pretty easy. You just brown up the beef while you add these in there and brown it up while these are sauteing at the same time, and dump everything else in later and let it simmer for as long as you want. And I think that's all I got. Hope you guys enjoy, and I hope it helps. Take care. Don't forget to like, and thanks for watching.